with this tremendous crowd trying to impress the capacity crowd here tonight.
As they say, keep it simple. We'll see if that happens as Aho and Barzal for the draw, and here we go. The 21-22 season underway for the Hurricanes. Anderson might have gotten a tip of that. Svechnikov streaking through on the backhand, right on Sorokin, makes the save, and Svechnikov puts it on, and then he's given a rough ride by Pelech. On the backhand, sends it into the Islanders zone. It'll be handled there by Andy Green, longtime New Jersey Devil. Gets the puck up to Kyle Palmieri, and now a shot right on, and Anderson makes a save as Barzal was there for the rebound attempt.
Hasn't seen a lot, but a testy save here, moving from left to right. Heck of a save. Heck of a save. And keeps that heck of a save, and a goaltender has to be aware, as Freddie clearly was, where the goal line is, and look at him work it, bringing that toe right out on Barzal. It was a matter of inches, but they were the inches that were on Anderson's side.
Well, we get a replay early in this one. There's the overhead, which will give us a great look at it. And that puck's got to be clearly over the line, and from our vantage point right now, Tripp, it does not look like it's clearly over the line.
What a save.
After video review, is determined that the puck completely crossed the goal line. Reset the clock to 12:37.
Good to see him back and healthy. He's a good one.
Now it's Trocheck charging into the corner against Mayfield. Team's trying to force a turnover, and they do. Bear settles it down. Teravainen wrists one, and they score! Andrei Svechnikov out front with the magic, and Carolina ties it up.
You're successful. Get in with speed. Heck of a job there on the forecheck, creating the turnover from Trocheck and company. And look at the battle in front from Svechnikov, knowing where the crease is, making sure to stay out of the paint. Heady play from Teravainen just to get it to the net. Svechnikov stays outside the paint, wins the battle on Andy Green.
Sealed off Palmieri. Now it's the Islanders' Noah Dobson working it across. Pass intercepted. It's Trocheck. He wrists one right into the glove. Sorokin catches that, and he'll hang on. 6:07 to go here in the first period. Well, Sorokin shows the glove hand there, but Carolina, after a reviewed goal, went the Islanders' way. It's been Carolina's a bouncing shot, and they'll score! Jacob Slavin put it on net, and the Hurricanes go up 2-1. 6:03 remaining in the first.
Does a great job here, getting to the front of the net first like Svechnikov did, and I think it went off of Mayfield. Niederreiter, and maybe did it go off of Jesper Fast? Niederreiter immediately pointed, might be Jesper Fast.
For Frederik Andersen, that change of scenery coming from Toronto to Carolina could be just that. Now back the other way, Beauvillier leaves it for Nelson. He cuts in front, and the Big Dane gets a pad on it, but Nelson banks it in and ties up the game for the Islanders. Oh, Anderson had the initial save, but Nelson sticks with the rebound, and he'll roof it.
And Nelson that's a pretty marvelous move there. Gathering it off balance on the backhand and with elevation from an impossible angle.
We're seeing players more.
He started the preseason a bit slow, but then caught on very, very quickly.
He is First Nations descent from Canada, and again, coming from Edmonton here to Carolina, and here to make an impact for sure is now the Canes on the turnover score! Jordan Martinook buries the turnover, and the Canes get back in the lead 3-2.
At night, when you get a big goal from your fourth line, Stepan retrieves the puck, holds the puck. The cycle game goes to work. Lawrence goes down there in support, and a heck of a pass, just getting it back to the slot. And Martinook, boy, did he get on his horse to get to the front of the net to take advantage of puck on edge, and Derek Stepan with the net front.
Puck gets past Brady Shea, and Beauvillier turns on the Jets, tracks it down. His shot, going head hunting, misses the net, comes all the way out where Nino Niederreiter picks it up for the Canes. Niederreiter cutting in front, puts it on Sorokin, powers through, still loose, looking for it, hands in the air, no call yet from the officials. Puck appears to be across the goal line. As Niederreiter pulls his way through, he's high-fiving teammates. He thinks it's a goal.
Goes to the front of the net. You see the delayed penalty at the top of your screen. There's nothing Niederreiter can do because he got pushed in, and I would be surprised if the Islanders elect to challenge this. Taking advantage of missing the net in the Carolina zone. Maintain his footing.
After coach's challenge review, it was determined that the puck did cross the line legally. We have a good goal. New York has assessed a bench minor penalty for delay of game.
To cut into the Hurricanes lead. Instead, we play on, puck in the corner. Lee hammers it around the boards. You can hear the crowd chanting Freddie, so you know he got a piece of it. Second opportunity, slid in front by Lee, and they'll score. Anderson overcommitted to the puck, and Lee tucks it to the far side. And the Islanders are back within a goal. Carolina leads 4-3.
To deflect the puck with his stick right there with a purpose, and it went off of Brady Shea. Now, could he have settled it and gotten a whistle? But, I mean, that's just a tough break. He's trying to, with a purpose, have good rebound control. It goes off of Shea, and
Smart pass by Teravainen, thrown all the way across. Can't find his man Slavin, who jumped in from the defensive position. Slavin fights his way through Barzal, throws it to Stahl right out in front. Sorokin with an aces save there. Trocheck to Svechnikov. Svechnikov, cross ice, Teravainen, D'Angelo. D'Angelo to Teravainen, he scores! What a laser on the power play! And the Canes extend their lead to 5-3.
And for a guy that is a brilliant passer, you always say shoot more because you might get lasers just like this. What a gun. What a gun from Teuvo. Perfectly placed.
Dobson stops, looks. Pajot, he'll wrist one. That'll hit Parise, who was parked out in front of Freddie Anderson for the Canes, and now a loose puck. Squirts free, D'Angelo has it. He takes a look, sends it across the ice. Bullseye! Andrei Svechnikov, second of the game. Ices this one for Carolina.
Then D'Angelo, after the heavy lifting below the goal line from Slavin. Unselfish. D'Angelo, he could ice that puck for free. He's shorthanded and instead makes a better play to Svechnikov. And Svechnikov doesn't miss. He's been an empty net magician.
5 seconds to go here as the Carolina Hurricanes, for the third consecutive season, open up with a victory. Andrei Svechnikov with 2 goals. Freddie Anderson wins in his Hurricanes debut in goal.